Hello and welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing video of my opal package that I received from Harry's Lucky Opals. It's where I get all of my opals from. So here we go. I've already opened it up to take a look to see what I had got originally, but there's still little bits and pieces that I need to go through. So there's the one package that I haven't opened yet. I also got a nice card from them. Tells me what I have got. Thank you very much. And there's the one that I've already opened. So let's take a look. You can hear it rattling away. And it was wrapped up in this nice little container, but as I said, I already opened it to see what I had first. Let's try and open this up. And there we go. So let's try and focus in. Put it in a little bit of water. And focus in. Got a nice bit of colour on this matrix piece. Nice greens, reds. And a nice flash on the side. This is a piece that I bid on a couple of weekends ago, and it was the reds that got me intrigued. And I'm quite pleased with that piece. Let's move on to the second one. Again, in a nice little baggie. Let's empty these out into my tub. And let's see what we got. And I don't want to come out one out. Is that all of them? Yep. This is some nice big chunks. Boulder opal. That's the first piece. Here's the second. Some really lovely green flashes there on that one. It's going to be quite nice to work on. That's a big piece. It's going to be interesting to see what this one holds. Tiny piece. And another little tiny piece. And with all boulder, the magic happens when you start working. So I might find something, I might not. But overall, some nice little pieces with colour that I can work on. And thank you very much to the people over at Harry's. They do look after me. And check their website. There might be a link in the description if I can put one in. If not, there'll definitely be a link on my Facebook page. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.